Hello everybody, my name is Christian Charlo. Welcome to your market report. Today we're Thursday, October 17. Today folks, I want to make a follow-up on the last market report on October 11 when the market rallied on hopes that there could be a deal. Well, there's a deal. The deal was signed. Finally, the debt ceiling has been increased until February 7th and the government will be reopened until January 15th. So markets have continued their rally. So we're going to take a look at the breakouts I've shown you in the last market report, how they're performing, and the new breakouts today that are leading the way. It's mostly a resources game today, and I'm going to show you two best breakouts on the resources sector. So let's take a look. First of all, we're talking about Orbit Illuminate. On February 11, the stock took about 15 to 20%. The day after, that was the moment where you had to take some profit. It was day trading opportunity on Orbit. Now the stock is losing all the points that it gained since this breakout. It's losing momentum because the deal with the government, so far there's no details, there's no confirmation of a loan coming from the government. So that's why investors have kind of lost hope on Orbit, and that's why the stock is having a correction. But if you had it and if you bought it and you still have it, it's okay, as long as the stock doesn't reverse its upward trend and doesn't break its support at 43 cents. The utility sector is also one of the strongest sector today on the American markets. And last week I've shown you AES Corp, which is in the utility sector. Actually, I was telling you that that stock was a great opportunity to get in because it was staying within a nice upward channel. Well, today it's continuing to go up since the breakout of October 11, 2.63%. Not enough to be able to take some profit. Usually it's 5% and more that we try to target to actually recommend to take some profit, but it's a hold on AES Corp. It's in the utility sector, which is performing pretty nicely today on October 17. Also, there were other stocks like Diamond Rock Hospitality, which was in a breakout. That stock continues to go well. There was also New Park Resources, which was in a breakout on October 11. That stock continues to go well, so it's a hold on that stock. And Liberty Media was a stock that was on the verge of starting a breakout. I told you it has to be watched. Yesterday, the breakout started. Now it's a continuity of the bullish cycle. And there was also HCA Holding, which was in a sideways formation. And today, the stock is clearly breaking out. There are a stock that didn't work much is Caesar Entertainment. Since the breakout of this October 11, the stock made a totally false breakout and it lost all its upward momentum. So you had to put your stop loss at the support at 1980. So that's why Caesar's Entertainment actually fell. And so it's not an opportunity to get in at all. Actually, the new opportunity will be if ever the stock can stabilize and again break its 2182 resistance, right? On the TSX, it's led by the resources sector. And in terms of the two best stocks that we have on that sector today, there's Pan American Silver, because we believe that the stock is reaching right now an important bottom. So we think that right now is the moment to get in on that stock. And there's Enerplus, which is clearly reversing its triangle formation. So two stocks in the resources, Enerplus and Pan American Silver. Those two are the best stocks so far in the resources sector that have helped explain the increase on the TSX. And among the other stocks that I've shown you last week, AES, Diamond Rock Hospitality, New Park Resources, all of them are hold. Liberty Media and HCA Holding, those two stocks of last week right now are giving entry point. And Caesar's Entertainment didn't work, but it has to be watched right now because it's staying within its sideways formation. So we have to wait for the new breakout higher than 2191 on that stock. So that's it, folks. See you next week for your market report. You can always have access to all the many breakouts on marketgurus.tv. You can have access for free for 30 days, for 10 days, just by clicking at the link below. Facebook, Twitter, also some platforms you can use to chat with us and share your strategies. And never forget that the more money you make, the happier we are. See you next week.